guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope you all are doing amazing at your home. आज मैं आप सब लोगों के लिए लेकर आई हूँ Myntra हॉल, जिसमें मैंने बहुत सारी मैंने थोड़ी शॉपिंग करी है ऑनलाइन. सम ऑफ द शॉपिंग आई डिड ऑनलाइन, सो इट्स अ मिक्स ऑफ ऑफलाइन एंड ऑनलाइन. एंड अगर आपको कुछ समझ आता है, इफ़ यू लाइक समथिंग देन आई कैन पुट द लिंक एंड देन यू कैन जस्ट टैप एंड enjoy your shopping. And guys, if you are the one who like to support new creators, then here is the person who is sitting just in front of you in the screen. What you have to do to support me, you have to just subscribe to my channel, which is actually free of cost for you. And here in this channel I'm going to show you a lot of new things, lot of entertainment, because me being an anchor, I have a power pack entertainment which is back to back, back to back, back to back, and it's never ending. So if you are looking for an entertainment channel, then this is your channel, and I think you should tap a button to subscribe to my channel. Now let's move further and let me show you my Myntra haul. I bought a top from Forever New, and this is the top. I really like this because this is like round neck classic top, and the sleeves have the detailing of it, and I think this has the elasticity, so that can keep your arms intake. So keeping that in mind, I brought this top, and I think I love the color as well. This is navy blue color, and the reason behind buying this top, this is stretchable fabric, and if you wear stretchable fabric, that squeezes your body, that hugs your body. So guys, this top I bought for 2800 rupees. This was not on discount. My next thing is this I bought from Only, and sorry guys, this I actually brought from Myntra, not offline, but ये है Only brand का. but ये मैंने जो लिया है, ये मैंने Myntra से लिया है. तो you can buy this from Myntra, but मैं आपको एक और दिखा सकती हूँ which I brought actually offline. The same shirt actually. So this is the online one, ये जो मैं आपको दिखा रही हूँ, and this is the offline one. ये मैं पहन चुकी हूँ एक बारी. I have wore it once because now you can see tags here, and you can see tag here. So this is in a different size, this is in a different size. My sister said she really liked it, तो मैंने कहा चलो you also buy it then. So मैं ये वाला जो है this top, एक मैं अपना साइज़ में लेकर आई हूँ, एक मैं उसके साइज़ में लेकर आई हूँ. एंड सम ऑफ द गर्ल्स आर लाइक, होता है ना, बहनें सेम साइज़ होती है, सेम कपड़े पहनती है. नॉट एट माई होम ब्रो, ये नहीं होता है मेरे घर पे. एंड जो मैंने ऑफलाइन लिया था वो मैंने लिया था 1500 का, और जो मैंने ऑनलाइन लिया है, दिस आई बॉट फॉर 750 रुपीज़. कमिंग बैक टू माई थर्ड प्रोडक्ट, दिस इज़ अ बेसिक टॉप विच आई अगेन बॉट फ्रॉम Only, and ये मैंने इसलिए लिया है बिकॉज इसका कलर बेबी पिंक था. दिस कलर वॉज बेबी पिंक, एंड इसकी स्लीव्स, गाइज मुझे इस टाइप की ना स्लीव्स बहुत अच्छी लगती हैं, विच कवर्स यू, विच कवर्स योर नेक एज वेल, विच कवर्स योर आर्म्स एज वेल. एंड अगेन दिस इज़ अ क्रॉप टॉप, this is a crop top, but this covers your like this area, so I like to wear something like which just covers you up. Depend mood to mood, so not necessarily that I wear these kind of tops. And yes, I bought this because of the color of this top, and this was for 1000 rupees, and I think this was on some discount which I don't remember, but इसमें भी कुछ discount था, there was some discount. And coming back to fourth product, so this is George I bought, and this is the George I bought, and this costed me, this was not on discount guys. ये मुझे 3000 की 3000 में ही पड़ी है. तो इसमें कोई डिस्काउंट नहीं था एंड दिस इज़ वेरी कम्फी लाइक इफ़ यू वांट टू जस्ट go to the park, go to the cafe, go anywhere, you don't feel like wearing jeans, तो आप इसे पहनो and wear your any classic top and then you're good to go. इसमें आपको ज़्यादा मेहनत करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. तो कभी कभी होता है ना, you are not in a mood to do so much efforts to go out, but still yet you want to look nice and of course cool. Then this is the jorts which can give you a cool look without putting so much efforts and make you look nice and classy at the same time. One denim as well, and this is it. Can you see? Can you see the detailing of this pants? So this is the pants I bought. This I bought for this I bought for 2500 rupees after discount. This was for 5000 and ये मुझे पड़ी है after discount 2500 and it was very comfortable. I tried it over there. So then I thought let's just buy this as well. And I wanted to actually show you one mascara which I bought, but वो मैंने खोल चुकी हूँ, which I have actually applied to my lashes as well. And if you guys say, then I can still show you. What else we can do is I can make a separate video where I can show you my complete makeup products which I use for primer, moisturizer, serum, makeup fixer, mascara, blush on, compact and whatnot, because I love makeup and I love applying makeup on my face. And this is the last shirt which I actually bought it offline and ये मैंने Ambience Mall से ली थी and this costed me 1500 again, because अभी जो सेल चल रही है उसमें बहुत सारा डिस्काउंट चल रहा है, जो पहले ऐसी कोई सेल नहीं चल रही थी. and maybe I didn't had time at that time to scroll online after because of the summer camp which I was hosting. So that is the reason I could not actually browse online. And lately when I got time, then I actually browsed through Myntra and then I got to know that there's a lot of discount going on and every girl should know about the huge discount on Myntra. And again I'm telling you guys, I'm not promoting Myntra over here. मैं बस आपको बता रही हूँ कि इस पे बहुत ही अच्छा डिस्काउंट चल रहा है. Guys, I'm talking about the brands over here, the brands actually, not like just local brands like H&M, Uniqlo only. So these kind of brands are they're on the Myntra, and I think you all know that these and many more brands are there on the Myntra. But some of the brands which I like, which I did shop, and वो मैं आपको दिखा चुकी हूँ. Now I'm gonna see you in my next vlog.